Today, we'll walk the Gyeongui Line Forest Trail through the Sinsu, Daeheung, and Yeomni-dong section. If you start from exit 1 of Gong-deok Station and walk slowly toward exit 3 of Daeheung Station while looking around, it takes about 15 minutes. Just keep walking straight in the same direction you come out of exit 1 at Gong-deok Station. Cross the crosswalk and turn left. Watch out for cars. After crossing the street, the area you see on the right is the Sinsu Daeheung Yeomni section of the Gyeongui Line Forest Trail. You'll see the Mapo circular train bus stop. This bus goes around to various attractions in Mapo-gu. Since it's a forest trail in the middle of the city, some people are resting here and there. Parts of the old Gyeongui railway tracks have been deliberately preserved. It seems like a nice spot for taking photos. On both sides of the trail, you'll find plenty of places to enjoy food, coffee, or drinks. There's a map of the Gyeongui Line Forest Trail here. Let's take a look at today's section. This is the Mist Plaza. As the name suggests, cooling mist sprays out here to refresh people on hot summer days. Because it's flat and easy to walk, many people come here for a stroll. It feels completely different from the city buildings beyond, a touch of nature in the middle of Seoul. From here, the trees grow thicker and it feels like being in the mountains. It's even cooler than outside the trail. An electric vehicle that maintains the forest trail passes by. On both sides of the trail, you'll find plenty of charming restaurants. It seems like you can pick any spot you like without disappointment. The Gyeongui Line Forest Trail is a pedestrian-only path. Bicycles, motorcycles, and personal mobility devices are prohibited. Now the Sinsu Daeheung Yemni section is coming to an end. Across the street, you can start to see the Yeomni-dong section of the Gyeongui Line Forest Trail. If you turn right here, you'll reach today's destination, Daeheung Station. Next, let's walk the Yeomni-dong section of the Gyeongui Line Forest Trail.